Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first Claude project using the step-by-step methods. This is the best way to group your files and typing sessions together in one place, so the helper always remembers your background details without you having to retype them every single time. Step 1. Open the Workspace panel and start a new project. The first step is to open up your internet browser window and find the main button that sets up your new group room. Move your hand to your mouse, go to the left side menu row on your screen, click on the text line that says Projects, and then click the button in the top corner that says New Project. Type a clear name for your room in the first empty box row and choose whether to keep it completely private to yourself or share it with your broader group organization. Because starting a regular chat row only remembers things for a short time before starting over. Building an actual project space builds a permanent digital box that locks your files and notes together, ensuring your workspace stays neat and organized from day one. Step 2. Add your long-term workspace style instructions. The second step is to write out your main rules so the helper knows exactly how to act and talk inside this new room. Look on the right-hand panel of your screen layout, click on the line that says Set Project Instructions, and type your personal guidelines directly into the big empty text area. Click the blue Save button to lock your writing instructions into the computer memory bank flat against your screen canvas view. Because typing your rules here sets the core blueprint for every single session inside the room. You can tell it what your daily job is, how long your answers should be, or what specific words to avoid, meaning you never have to repeat your goals ever again. Step 3. Upload your core reference books and files. The third step is to drop your main text papers, style sheets, or background documents directly into the room's knowledge pool. Click the button labeled Add Content or find the File drop box on your dashboard screen. Pick the files from your computer hard drive and select Upload. Watch the small loading rings until your documents show up as solid block chips in your shared knowledge tray. Because it gives the assistant a solid library to read from when making decisions. Instead of guessing, it scans these exact uploaded sheets to answer your specific questions, allowing you to build items using the accurate guidelines. And that's it. To create your first Claude project, you first go to the side panel and click the button to open a new project space on your screen. Next, you move your mouse to the right field to type in your style guidelines and save your workspace instructions on your screen canvas rows. Then, you upload your background files and reference sheets to build your local knowledge library safely. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.